Hey guys, so this will be a short video, but here you can see the grid actually went up in value. Here you can see I basically bought this coin quite early because again, I'm using BullX. I am tracking Dave Portnoy's wallet, and you can do it too, really easy. Basically go on wallet tracker, add wallet, go on call scan. This is where you will find Dave Portnoy's wallet. Soon you will be able to find many influencers' wallets because many huge celebrities will be starting to create their own meme coins. Because I think on March 7th, when the Trump announced the Bitcoin strategic reserve, I think we will go up and we will start the actual crypto bull run. So here you copy his wallet, go back to BullX, add wallet, add his name, add contract address. Now let's go back. So basically I told you about greed around 30 minutes after he created. So he created at 4:40. I bought when I made the video at 5:30. So around hour later I bought token. Here you can see the first trade I sold at loss because I thought it will go to zero. After that, I understood that he hasn't posted on his X platform about greed, so people are waiting and not dumping, not buying as well. And that's actually a smart strategy because people are not willing to buy and sell. They are just waiting for the news to come. That's why they are holding, and the price, as you can see, went to 4.6 million, which means around 2x when I bought. So yeah, I could held much longer. Right now we are at $2.9 million in market cap. And yeah, I think when he tweets, and as we see, Bitcoin is back at around $90,000. Solana is pumping, everything is pumping. People are expecting huge news in the March 7th. And there was basically this. Here you can see this bullish President Trump to real Bitcoin reserve strategy at the White House summit this Friday, which means that the Bitcoin reserve is starting in 2 days. Really insane. Also remember that he announced the Solana, Cardano, Ripple, Ethereum strategic reserves as well. That's why the meme coins will be going insane. Maybe Dave Portnoy is waiting for these news, for the announcement of the strategic reserve actually being implemented. That's why I won't be surprised if this goes to 5 million, 10 million. I might buy back. Maybe I don't buy. I don't know. Already made some gains. But again, I just want to show you that this didn't dump. And if you was early, and let's set this to 30 seconds. So basically it was created at 4:43, 30 seconds. And basically 2 minutes ago, it was already up. So yeah, the only way you can buy early right now. And again, remember, when we are in a crypto euphoria, when retail is here, retail will not be this fast. There will still be the snipers, the meme coin OGs that know how to buy in the first seconds. And I have showed you how to track tweets, you how to track wallets, and you how to be basically 24 hours glued to your screen so you can see everything happening and you can act fast. If you have time, I don't have that much time. I'm more a video creator, influencer. But in the first few seconds, you can see the price go up. And that's why I'm always telling you that you have to use platforms like BullX where you can set your own gas fees. So you are buying before everyone else. Of course, if we are in a crypto bull market, you have not hours, not minutes, not seconds. You don't have to be that fast. But still, it helps you for you to use platforms like these where you can set your gas fees and buy before hundreds of thousands of people. And soon the meme coins will be going up for hours. And when the meme coin is going up like 100x in the first few hours. And if you are using my strategy, you will be able to buy before 99% of people. Right now, most of the people that are buying and selling are smart OGs, meme coin traders that do this daily, that they are selling and buying 24 hours a day or 16 hours a day realistically. Soon you will be able to use these tools and be first, even if you are not first in a few seconds. But still, it helps if you are, the faster you are, the better gains you will get. And here you can see how high the price goes up and goes down. And even if you are late, few seconds, few minutes, you can buy at these levels and you will still be in gains. That's why, again, Dave Portnoy has his wallet public, and CallScan is a great way to find public wallets. So I'm not really myself into meme coin trading daily. Dave Portnoy is the only one I'm following because I know that he will be dropping more and more coins. Probably Greed 4, Greed 5. He has his jail stool where he's allegedly putting all his gains in when he does basically make money in these ones. All the profits are going in jail stool. And yeah, hopefully we have a great bull run after the March 7 when the strategic reserve is announced. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm waiting for BullX to update their Twitter tracker, because right now you can see we have the biggest accounts, and you can still make money on news like this when you see some interesting names, memeable names, and you go on BullX and you see here the new creations. Many people, many coins are created. You just have to see how many. For example, I am filtering out the dev holdings, developer hold. I don't want developers to hold more than 30% of supply, or you can set this even to 20%, because if they dump, the price goes up by 20%. So that's what I can afford to lose. And if people are believing in coin, it will go past that dump either way, especially in these markets when we are coming back. Here you can see almost every second new coins are created, so we are coming back really bullish. And yeah, again, sniping coins, tracking wallets, tracking tweets is the best thing you can do to be early. And BullX is the best platform used by Orangey, by Capsi, by all of these biggest meme coin traders. That's why, again, invite link is in the description, because this is invite only. Yeah, let's wait for him to drop a coin. Maybe I will buy in, I don't know. I think I want the price to just dump a little bit, but it will most likely not dump. People are basically waiting for him to tweet, because then many retail people will start buying, and 10x, 3x, 2x will be made, I think, quite easily. And this is currently the biggest meme coin, I think, the biggest opportunity in the meme coins. Always risky. This video is not a financial advice by any means. Always invest what you can afford to lose. But yeah, really interesting. I am a fan of meme coins. I wish I started earlier. I would have made so much money by using this platform, BullX. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.